Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature, Art and Life. My name is Donna. Okay, so I wanted to share all these wonderful goodies that were given to me, and they're all crafty goodies. I thought I'd throw this all in with my thrifted craft haul. There's so much good stuff in here, I just had to share it with you all. Okay, so first up, there's this smash book, and this smash book has never been used. So she thought I could use it, and I think this would make a really cool journal. Yeah, anyways, I wanted to try that out. And then there's this envelope, and it's full of paper that looks like crumpled paper. Isn't that cool? It looks so realistic. But yeah, it's just an image on the paper. So thought that was fun. Now this is something I have never heard of, and it's onion skin paper pad. So yeah, I'm gonna look into this more, or if anybody knows about it, let me know down below. Maybe it's for tracing, I'm not exactly sure, but I thought this would be really fun to play with. So I got two packs of that. This one has been used, which is of course totally fine, but yeah, I'm really excited to see what I can do with that. And then I got some carbon paper in black, which is great because I don't have any. Okay, and then she gave me these beautiful magazines. She works for a company that sells magazines, and I got this Christmas one. It is stunning. There is so many, like, I love that. So gorgeous. So I'm going to set that aside for the Christmas season. And then she gave me this one. Now, I'm not a scrapbooker, but I definitely get tons of ideas from the scrapbooking industry. So this will be really cool. Looking forward to sitting down on a nice sunny day on the sun deck and thumbing my way through this magazine. And then this one's really exciting. So she gave me this card making one, and I love these magazines. They are full of ideas, and what's really cool about them is that they always come with some crafty goodies. Look at this. She gave me this stamp set, and it comes with all these little dies. Isn't that fun? So I can't wait to play with that. So she gave me a bag full of goodies, and I'm in awe at what's in here. So there are these eyelet and snaps. Those are going to be really fun. And then there's these little brads. Some magnets, which I have got some smaller ones, and they're not nearly as strong as these ones, so this is going to be great to have on hand. These beautiful little cabochons. I love cabochons. They're so beautiful. And then there's these Jolie's Boutique. These are stickers in the fleur de lis. And then there's all these flat back pearls, and there's also some gems in there. I use these a lot, so love those. Some more brads. I really love the vintage feel of these ones. Some Tim Holtz, what is it? Game spinners. So I'm not sure how I would use these, but I thought they were definitely cool, and they come with some brads. So I'm interested to see what I can do with these. And then these beautiful keys. So fun. And then these clock faces. So cool. And then there was some goodies in this little tin. That tin is so cute. Oh, right. These are all magnetized letters. Thought that was really neat. And then there's these transparent archival bags. Some Smashbook quotes. These are going to be great for like little journaling cards. And then there's these Tim Holtz tickets. Again, these are going to be so fun to use. I love the looks of tickets. I think they're so cool. Now, you guys, these are called fascinators. I had bought a fascinator. It's like a specialized stapler. And I had no use for it because I didn't know that it was for these specialized staples. They're like a decorative bar of some kind. Staple bar. Well, now I've got a pack of these. So I'm like, shoot, I could have used that tool, but that's all right. I think what I'm going to do is probably take these to the thrift store where I dropped off that tool because it has sold since. And we'll see if that person will pick that up. And then, or I might even be able to use these and pinch them down myself. I'm not sure. I'll have to see. I'll have to have a closer look at these. Some more transparent archival bags in a larger size. And then some more brads in all different colors. And then lastly, there's this really cool stamp set. Very vintage and feel so cool. Okay, so now on to the items that I have thrifted myself. I want to just first say a big thank you to my friend. I'm so excited to play with all that stuff. That was so cool. So firstly, I have found this embroidery hoop. Now, this is an older one. You can tell by the clamp right here. But the other thing is it's wood. It's not bamboo. And the older ones are made of wood. I paid $1 for it. And then I found these beautiful snaps. I don't know if you can see the image through there, but they are gorgeous. Never been opened. 50 cents. Found these beautiful teal buttons, and they've got like a gold rim around them. 80 cents. This is table scatter, but I thought it would be really cool to use these silver leaves as an embellishment or in shakers. $2 for that box. And then I found all this confetti. It was 25 cents per package, and as you can see, it's mostly gold metallic, and there's a bit of silver in there. Really fun to throw in a box if you're gifting stuff to a friend or using shakers. You could even use it as table scatter, so I thought that would be really, really fun. So I grabbed this package of printer paper. Now, I wanted laser copy paper specifically. This is an all-purpose, but there's a technique that I'm wanting to try, and it did call for laser copy paper. So I'm going to try this out, see how it works. If it doesn't work, it's okay. I'll use it for my inkjet. But yeah, I'm going to try that out, and if it works, I will definitely share that with you. And then I found this really cool book. It is a copyright-free border book, and it's put out by Dover Publications. Copyright free, guys. Like, there's just so many fun images. So you can copy this, and then, you know, you can write up your letter in there. Thought that was just so cool. Look at that cactus. I am so in love with the cactus one. Yeah, so that'll be really fun to play with. Oh, that one, the paper was 50 cents. And then this was, I can't remember how much it was. It has a green tag, but I don't remember. I'm guessing it's probably around $1. And then this one, this was in a stack of a whole bunch of the McCall Needlework books, magazines. Originally it was 35 cents. Isn't that cool? I loved the imagery. Like, even just to start off with, this is so, so beautiful. But I started to flip through it, and this one was so fun. Like, look at all those images. So I thought this would be really, really cool to put aside and use in journals. There's lots of cool advertising in here. Like, look at that. Isn't that cute? All the little dresses. Yeah, so I thought that was a really fun find. So I found these paper towels or napkins. They are Christmas, but I just couldn't resist them. They were only $1. They were printed in 1974. And I thought they would be really fun to put aside and use in Christmas journals or even at Christmas time. So I got that. Found this gorgeous doily in this apricot color. It'll be beautiful to use in spring, summer, or fall. This would actually also make a beautiful pumpkin doily. I found this really pretty embroidered piece here. Thought it was so cute. And I've been seeing a lot of people use embroidered pieces like this for journals. So I grabbed that. And then I also found this beautiful tatting. Like, it's so beautiful. Thought it was gorgeous. Isn't that just, it's so intricate. So I paid 25 cents for this, 10 cents for this, and the doilies would have been 25 cents. Okay, and then I always seem to have really good luck finding lace at my thrift stores. I found this one, $2.20 for 3.4 meters, and it's quite wide. And then I found this one, it's even wider, 3 meters for $2.50. Really pretty colors too. And then I found some Christmas books. I know we're past Christmas, but I couldn't resist. This one was so cute and the imagery is so adorable. A person could totally turn this into a really sweet journal. Speaking of journals, I have to admit, I tried to do a December journal, and you guys, I couldn't keep up. I prepped it, but to do it daily, I just couldn't do it. I had started on it and it fizzled out quickly. It just got way too busy here at home. And just with everything that's been going on, you know, I admit, I just couldn't do it. So I still have that journal and I'm going to rethink it for next year. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking doing something weekly might be more doable for me. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm not going to write that in stone, but yeah, any tips would be great. So anyways, I found this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Little Golden Book. This printing was 1958. It's in pretty good shape. Found that one, and then I found Frosty the Snowman. The edges were all taped, and that doesn't bother me, but this one was printed in 1989. And then my favorite, I was so excited, I finally found a Bambi book. The only problem with this one is that the back is missing, but I figured I could make my own, or if I have another golden book that I'm not like really hung up on, I could use the back from that. This one was printed in 1948 and it is in really good condition otherwise, just missing the back. And then there's just a little tiny bit of staining right here and it seeps through to the other side, but that doesn't bother me. I can't wait to make a journal for myself using this. So there was a lot of stuff here to look at. I would love to know what your favorite thing was out of this whole bunch. And let me know if there's been anything fun and exciting that you have found in your thrift stores. Thank you all so much for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.